What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. You're gonna have to bear with me, maybe in this video or for the next month or so. My allergies are kind of messing with me a little bit, but I'll try and get out some videos and live streams and all that stuff. But I think JasmyCoin. This video is all gonna be about JasmyCoin. I think Jasmy is one going to be worth a lot more than people think. And where it stands, you have more of a panic in a lot of people's minds and hearts, whether you're holding it or not. Right? I'll talk about Jasmy, and you have people in the comment section that are not holding it that are like, "You're dumb for holding this. You were never going to make any money, and Jasmy is not going to be worth anything." And I respect anyone's opinion to a certain extent, right? You can have your own opinion, but it doesn't mean that I'm going to listen to it and go, I should change my mindset about JasmyCoin. Unless it has some really, really great news or not great news, some big news about it and the negative side of those. Maybe I can go, well, maybe it's not as strong as I think it's going to be. But that's not the case. I haven't seen anything, no matter what people bring up, that say JasmyCoin is not going to be worth what I believe it's going to be worth. Now, there's many levels to what I believe it's going to be worth, and my exit plan starts at a lower level, continues as it goes all the way up to that higher level, or potentially even the highest level. So, with that thought, in mind, I'm going to make millions from JasmyCoin. And now I can say that because I have this opportunity, or had the opportunity, to buy more at a lower level, which I didn't think I would, right? I saw the movement and I was like, I wish I could have had, another million or 2 million that I could have bought. And wishing upon a star, I ended up having that come true. And now I have the opportunity to buy more. And I think many other people may see this as an opportunity, but you also have a bunch of people that see this as, yep, it's going where I thought it was going to go. So let's talk about JasmyCoin in this video. If you guys could, make sure to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, if you guys want to check out my link in the description for FortisX, feel free to do so. This is a platform that keeps your holdings working for you, right? You are able to invest in liquidity pools. You're able to invest into managed staking. You can earn up to 20% APY, a variable APY, with no lockups, withdraw anytime, and you could trade some of the largest positions that are out there, like XRP, Ethereum, and many others. So feel free to check out that link. It is in the description. Also, if you want to check out my link for BTCC, this is a great platform where you can get a 10% deposit bonus if you specifically use my link. Extra bonuses up to $10,055 and enjoy up to 40% lower trading fees. So definitely give that a look. That link will be at the top of the description as well. I've been using this platform for over, a year and a half at this point, and it's been amazing, right? I've been able to make money, a decent amount of money, as we have seen from things like JasmyCoin and Terra Luna Classic and XRP and many others. So feel free to check that out. Link is at the top of the description. Now, JasmyCoin currently stands at 0.005917, or as I like to say, 50% of a penny. In the last month, it's up by about 10%. In the last week, it's slightly up, right? Basically break even. And in the last 24 hours, it's up by 4%. Now, the market cap is at a $292 million market cap with $16 million worth of volume. I'll admit, the volume is low to what its normal level is. We typically see it around 10 to 30% volume to market cap ratio. Especially seeing this low of a market cap, we typically see a lot higher of volume that goes into JasmyCoin itself. 49 billion coins are in circulation out of the 50 billion, and we are very, very close to 100,000 holders. So with this position, I know that data is going to be huge, right? I know the use case is going to be massive. I know the partnerships that they're taking on is big. The roadmap, I just talked about that more recently. But kind of moving away from like what the use case is and just going into, an investor standpoint. this is something that you have to understand the lows and understand the highs. For the last year, right? The high point is a 2 cent high point or 2 cent level. The low point is 0.0046 or 46% of a penny. We currently sit at 59% of a penny. That is very close to where that low is. Way closer to the low than it is to the high. Now, I understand that 2 cents of a high point is not really super far away from where we are right now. Seeing a 59% of a penny, it just doubles up to a penny and then it doubles from there, right? You're seeing basically, let's 3x, right? Let's round down. You're basically seeing that. But it has a lot more potential, right? We've seen this up to a high of 6 cents before everything started to decrease. Not just this started to decrease, meaning that it has a lot more life left in it and has a lot more room for growth and room for FOMO that can go into this position. It is offered on places like Binance, Coinbase, Upbit, 131 other trading pairs. So it has the ability to be traded on the most popular platforms and also experience that level of height. All-time high, $4.99. Yes, that was when it had less supply. So now, are we going to see a $4.99 level? I'm not sitting here and going, I 100% expect that. But what I do expect is multiple billions of dollars worth of a market cap like it did get to previously. If we look at all history, right, and look at the market cap more recently in 2024 hit a $2 billion market cap. $2.2 billion market cap. I think it was a little bit higher, like approaching the $3 billion market cap level. Correct me if I'm wrong. But seeing that it has that potential to get to a $2 billion market cap, you see where it is now at a $300 million market cap. It has so much more life left in it. And the reason why I say I'm going to make millions from not Terra Luna Classic, well, I will make it from that, but from JasmyCoin is because JasmyCoin currently sits at 0.0059 15, and you see how much I do have. 3 million JasmyCoin that I hold. I recently held, with the increase, was about 1 million JasmyCoin, and when it was growing to to 1 cent, to 2 cent, to 3 cent, I said I would absolutely love to be able to gather another million or even 2 million if I could. If it came below 1 cent, that will be my opportunity. And not only did it go below 1 cent, at 90 cent, it continued to flow down. I didn't have the money at that point, but I did have the money as it continued to fall lower. I wanted to make sure that I gathered enough just in case it would go low enough, because my thought process was that, it's going to go below 1 cent, but then it's going to increase because people are going to see that opportunity. Well, we haven't seen that push yet, so it's been consistently sliding, meaning that I have the opportunity. And now I have $17,000 worth, or 3 million JasmyCoin, meaning that I can take a million and do whatever I wanted with it from the beginning, and then also still have 2 million left on the table to make potentially millions of dollars from. So I'm excited to see what JasmyCoin has in store, what JasmyCoin has to offer, where JasmyCoin will go. And I want to know what you guys think. Where do you believe this will sit? Maybe not even by market cap or listing out different coins and where it will sit on that list, but just where it will sit based on the success. Will we see a massive level of success, or are we going to see something moderate, or will we see nothing? Right? Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Again, check out my links for FortisX and also for BTCC down below in the description. But I'm going to get out of here, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.